Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Gonna take up the UMX air tractor. Haven't flown this in a while. Got the new takeoff and landing pad. Let's take her up, see what we can do.
Throttle cut off.
And up and away we go. This is a fun plane. Take her in nice and slow. Inverted. She's coming in a little hot. Oh yeah. Fun little plane, nice and quiet. Flies really good. Really good.
Landing flaps.
Does have flaps. Also does have safe, like most e-flites. So I got the flaps out. I gotta really practice landing with this landing strip. Gotta take her up again. I do have the flaps up. I think this plane's a little fast if I don't. Again, I need to put more mats because it is very challenging to land on the mats. See? Missed them. Just barely, but I missed. Take up. Full throttle. Snap it. Come back around. Keep her close. Oh, dang it. And crash it. Wind pushed it down. I was too low. Hopefully, it's not bad. All right, guys, here it is. Knocked the battery out. Hoping for not much damage. Oh, I didn't crack the battery. Fucking dummy. Did I break a blade? No. All right, guys, let's test her out. All right, guys, let's see if everything's working. Flaps. All right, just see. All right, I think we got lucky on that crash. Let's take her up and see if I'm right. All right, flying good. Keep her a little higher. Again, these are UMXs, so the wind does affect them. Definitely flies better at full rate. All right, let's try to take her down. This is way too far for a good video. So if you guys can plane, I can understand. Take her around again. The wind's just taking her up.
Flaps up.
Zero throttle. Put some throttle in. I made it on the path. Wasn't the best landing. Got 60% juice left. Let's do it one more time. We'll do one more pass and then we'll take her in for a final landing. Just a fun plane. God, I got it on the landing pad. One more time. Let's not break this though. Woof. Coming in one more time. 0 throttle. There we go. Ah, better than nothing. All right, guys, UMX air tractor. If you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Till the next one, thanks for watching.